Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 2 with Solidworks software. In here you can click sketch and click new sketch. I will choose a top plane. We can draw a rectangle from center rectangle. Click start from this point, move to the top. In here I will use dimension, smart dimension to change length into 142. The next for width we can set into 92. You can press enter. You can click OK, and now in here I will use a fillet command. You can click here fillet. We can fillet with radius 10, and for entities you can select this all corner. You can click OK to apply. You also can select at this center line, press delete button. You can delete. And now we can create circle from this point. I will set for diameter into 16. The next distance from this point into here, we can set into 21. Create again in here, set into 21. Now I will use mirror tools to mirror this circle, but first I will create center line. Okay, in here we can create center line. The next we can create center line from this point to here. Now you can use mirror entities to mirror this circle. For mirror about, you can select this center line. Click OK. We mirror again this two circle. Mirror about, we can select this center line and you can click OK. Now in here you can close sketch. And we can convert this object into 3D models by using extrude boss or base. You can click these tools, so it will be automatically extrude, and we can set for extrusion into 14. You can press enter. And next you can click OK. We can select at this face and we can create new sketch. I will create a rectangle from center point. Okay, you can click in here, move to the top, and next from this point, center point, move into here. We can set for length in these lines. Okay, I will set into 92. The next for width we can set into 14. We also can change in here width into 14. Okay, we can use trim entities to cut these all lines objects. You can cut one by one. This all. Now you can click OK and close sketch. We can use extrude boss or base again to extrude at these entities. You can click feature, click extrude boss or base, select at this face. The next we can extrude in here into 40 for extrusion. Click OK. The next we can use a chamfer tool. So you can click here, click a chamfer. We can set these options, and then I will set for chamfer into 15, so it will be symmetric. You can select at this edge. Okay, you can select one by one this edge. The next you can click OK to apply, so it will be chamfer into 15. Select again at this face and we can create new sketch. I will create circle, okay, from center points, move into here. The next you can use extrude boss or base. You can extrude this circle. I will change in here into symmetric. Okay, so you can active for direction 2. For length I will set into 10. Also in here we can set into 10. You can click OK to apply. The next we can select again after this face. We create new sketch from a center point in here. We can create circle and we can set for diameter in this circle into 40. You can press enter. The next use extrude the boss or base. Okay, we can extrude to the top. We can set into 30 for extrusion and you can click OK. The last we can create again circle at this face. We can set in here and we can change diameter into 20. Okay, now you can use this tool, extrude cut, to create a hole in the center point here. We can set for extrusion into 70. You can click OK to apply. Okay, it will be create hole, you can see. The last, we can use a fillet commands with radius 2. You can click in here, fillet, change radius into 2. The next, for 8, you can select at this face, click again in here. The next, we can select at this edge. You can select one by one this all edge. Okay, and you can click OK to apply. So in here we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 2 with Solidworks software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.